Haben Sie sich für ein Stativ entschieden? Ach, ich glaube, ich nehme beide. Beides? Beiden? What's the difference? Tag an alle, my name is Florian and today I'm going to explain to you the difference between BEIDE and BEIDES, as well as giving you a bunch of examples so that you'll never confuse them again, ever. Let's jump right into it. The main distinction is that BEIDES is used for different things while BEIDE is used for the same thing. In the example from the intro, beide would have been correct. Ich glaube, ich nehme beide, since we were referring to two tripods. If the question had been, möchten Sie das Stativ oder die Leuchte, you'd have to say, ich nehme beides, separately referring to the tripod and the light. However, there is a bit more to it. Let's start with the word beide. This is actually a pronoun, and in my example it was in the accusative case. If you don't know what the accusative is, you can click on this info card right here to watch my video about German cases. I'll also put a link in the description. Anyway, what this means is that you can fully decline this word. Nominativ beide, Akkusativ beide as well, Dativ beiden, and Genitiv beider. You usually combine it with the noun, but if the context is clear, like in my intro, you can omit the noun, like in English, many say instead of many people say. Let me give you a few more examples. Beide Computer sind kaputt. Both computers are broken. The computers are in the nominative case because they are the subjects that are broken. Sie spricht beide Sprachen. She speaks both languages. The languages are the direct objects being spoken, so we'd use the accusative case here. Ich habe mit beiden Hunden gespielt. I played with both dogs. The preposition mit demands the dative case, so we have to use it with the dogs. And finally, die Planung beider Projekte war schwierig. The planning of both projects was difficult. We're using a possessor here, so genitive it is. Additionally, you can use the definite article with beide, and it looks like this. Nominativ die beiden. Akkusativ die beiden as well. Dativ den beiden. Genitiv der beiden. I could have used them with all the examples, and the only difference they really would have made is definiteness. Also, these words can be translated as the two in English. Die beiden Computer sind kaputt. The two computers are broken. Sie spricht die beiden Sprachen. She speaks these two languages. Ich habe mit den beiden Hunden gespielt. I played with the two dogs. Die Planung der beiden Projekte war schwierig. The planning of the two projects was difficult. So pretty intuitive for English natives. Just keep in mind that beiden stays the same, only the article changes. Now let's talk about beides. This word can also be declined. Beides, beides, beidem, beides. But you wouldn't normally combine it with the noun. Also, the genitive isn't really used anymore. Here are a few examples. Er raucht Zigaretten und trinkt Whisky. Beides ist schlecht für den Körper. He smokes cigarettes and drinks whiskey. Both is bad for the body. Neugier und Ausdauer. Ein Kind braucht beides, um sich gut zu entwickeln. Curiosity and perseverance. A child needs both to properly develop. Ich brauche Hackfleisch und Lachs. Ich nehme 500 Gramm von beidem. I need ground beef and salmon. I take 500 grams of both, or of each. And that's it. I hope I could answer all your questions, and if there are any left, drop them right into the comments. I will also add a link to a PDF file you can download for free. This PDF contains more examples and exercises for BEIDE and BEIDES, as well as the solutions for you to self-check. Have a good one and haut rein!